Hey, what's up, everybody? John Patton here. And I just wanted to let everybody know that somebody hit me up on Facebook and wanted to know if I could start doing some trick shots. Well, that's a little out of my expertise, but I said, hey, what the hell? I'll give it a try. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to attempt to shoot this egg off of my target here. All right, I'll be shooting it from my firing point back there, which is 25 yards away, back there where that bench is, one-handed with my 22 pistol. So I'm gonna give it a shot and we'll see what happens. Here we go, 25 yards away. First shot, down. Check that out. As I walk down, keeping my gun safe, pointing down range. Gone. And that, my friends, is how you shoot an egg at 25 yards. First shot, down. Check that out. I walk down, keeping the gun safe, pointing down range. Gone. And that, my friends, is how you shoot an egg at 25 yards. Alright everyone, so there we have it. That was my first trick shot video. I've never done a trick shot like that, so I'm pretty impressed to actually hit it on my first try. I'm happy with that. So if you like this video, hey, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I intend to do more videos in the future. This is my first YouTube video also, so I tend to get better at this stuff. Hey, if you like that, hey, hit me up on Instagram at Pistol All American. You'll find more videos and pictures there. Alright, thanks a lot, guys.